going on, everybody? Break 1037. 3 boxes of 2022 Prizm Hobby Football and a box of Immaculate Hobby 2022 as well. Good luck. Teams are on the right. Let's get it started. The other half of this case is going to be posted. It is posted in eBay already. Ends and will break on Sunday night. Also want to shout out everybody that's been in multiple breaks. Saw quite a few people come back. We got a Pitry and a Hassan Haskins for the Titans to start us off. Really appreciate that. One hit in this pack to start us off. You get the 49ers in both breaks. Not a rookie. Man, we got to hit one thing for you. 183 out of 225. See, I think I remember when I put in the teams, you didn't have quite all the same teams in the second break. Brian Cook for the Chiefs and an Aiden Hutchinson. I'm down. Now that we can basically see this first card here. Jameson Williams, Lions Hollow Emergent. Rookie, non-rookie for the Jets, Zach Wilson. Of course, not quite what we're looking for there. 180 out of 249. Got the Jets. Anthony. Nice hit, Anthony. Maybe. Who knows if he'll rebound. Zach Wilson.
You know what he needs, though.
Stops banging some moms and starts worrying about practice.
Oh, yeah.
Cristiano base. Justin Fields hype. Rookie for the Broncos, Greg Dulwich. 19 out of 249 for the Broncos. Going out to Jason. Trey McBride. Base rookie and a Thibodeau base rookie as well. Ring or something on the base there. Bengals rookie Daxton Hill for the silver. Non-rookie for the Browns. Deshaun Watson. Purple 121 out of 125. Garrett Wilson for the Jets. That's definitely better. And a Tristan Ebner. What's Zach Wilson doing all up in this stuff? I didn't see him once. Ooh, throwback. Another wide receiver. George Pickens. Second one of these. That's pretty sweet. And a Julian Love for the Giants. Shane Gent on the Steelers. 8 out of 149. Did we pull an auto yet? I don't think I saw an auto either. They're not shorted us on that one pack that had one hit. Dalvin Cook, Brace Brilliance. Pierre Strong Jr. Evan Neal. And a non-rookie for the Bengals. Come on, Dennis, one time. Joe Mixon. 145 out of 175. Charles Cross. And another base, Chris Olave. You got a Breece Hall base emergent. Chiefs non-rookie. Come on. Dante Hall.
The human joystick.
35 out of 199. There is a print line on that one, so I'll throw a pack in with that too. If you guys don't know about this, if you save these up and send them in, you know, you get like 20, 30 cards like this. You send them in all together, they'll upgrade you to one white box. So it's definitely worth keeping all your errors, especially autos and numbered stuff, no matter how big they are. Auto coming, Trayvon Walker and Roger McCreary. For silver, Micah Hyde for the Bills. Oh, what did they do to our card? Please don't be the biggest auto of the night. Tyler Algier, not a bad auto. Definitely going to include a pack for you on that one as well. Who's got the Falcons? John Bramble. Just the coating didn't quite go to the edge. Right there, you kind of see it. We'll top load it, and then we'll get it in a pack for you. Skylar Thompson. And a Drake Jackson. Oh my gosh. What the heck? They had their fingers all over that? My gosh, look at that. That's wild. Oh, I just got off lunch. I had fried chicken. On a penny sleeve, though, just so that crap doesn't get over any of the other cards. Huh? No unpaid. Everybody paid it up. You want to put your name on for a break on the left. The more people that put their name in, we'll see if we can get it filled up. Aaron Rodgers, silver fireworks. On rookie for the Bucks. Warren Sapp. 39 out of 199. For we'll do 2 boxes and box of iMac.
Just one either one.
Oh, just only a penny sleeve on that, just so the grease doesn't get on the other cards. Purple Power rookie coming. Base Prizm break. These Prizm break cards look so sick this year. Derek Stingley Jr. and a Jahan Dotson. Put the other one. Let's see what we got here. Prizm. It was a rookie for the boys. Sam Williams. Purple out of 49. 37 out of 49. Malcolm Rodriguez. And then Alante Taylor. Non-rookie for the Vikings. That's a good one there. J. Jeff, silver Prizm. Non-rookie for the Falcons. Young Ho Koo. Talking about. 9 out of 225 for the Falcons. Should be another auto in here. Sure is. Kem Iquanu and a Drake London. Giants, non-rookie, Saquon silver. And a Raheem Mostert for the Dolphins. Not numbered auto to finish the first box. All right, here we go. Box number 2. If anybody's looking for any personals, let me know. We can do that as well after this break. Anything else you want me to set up a break on? If you guys aren't feeling more Prizm, let me know. If we got the crowd for it, we can get it going. Malik Willis for the Titans. Base and a Snoop Connor. A base Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins. And for the Commanders, Antonio Gibson purple. 96 out of 125. That first box, you should see some of the boxes I've seen. It was not a great box, but I've seen way, way worse than that. That was like middle of the row. James Cook for the Bills. Jeremy Ruckert. Non-rookie for the Browns, Leroy Kelly. 6 out of 175. We got 2 more to turn it around, though. Let's make it better right here, huh? Kobe Dean and Kyle Hamilton. Desmond Ridder, new recruit, silver. And a non-rookie for the Jets, Tyler Conklin. 52 out of 199. Wandale Robinson and a Kyle Phillips. Base, Jahan Dotson, new recruits. And a rookie for the Titans. Come on, give us the guy, man. Kyle Phillips, 141 out of 199. George Pickens, base. Trent McDuffie. Rookie for the Texans, Damian Pierce, silver. Non-rookie for the Browns, Denzel Ward. 191 out of 225 on the purple ice. Tyler Algier and a Boy Mafe. Silver, a throwback. All out. Austin Eckler for the Chargers. Non-rookie for the Texans, Andre Johnson. That's pretty cool. 140 out of 249. Remember when you said that was one of the worst Prizm boxes you've ever seen? Did you just see the first half of that box? Can't be saying stuff like that. The Prizm God's here. And then they're like, what'd you say? Hold my beer. Desmond Ridder base. We got a green scope base. Deebo Samuel's fireworks. For the Lions, Jared Goff. 49 out of 75. First auto coming. Sauce base. Ebiketti. E.D. Lamb silver for the boys. And our first auto is Tariq Woolen. Going to the Seahawks. Rookie auto. 54 out of 149. Montrell Washington and a Nick Bonito. Silver. Kyler Murray fireworks. Non-rookie for the Dolphins, Xavier Howard. 49 out of 149. Purple ice coming up. Jordan Davis and a Christian Watson. Purple power and a purple ice. Let's go. Purple power rookie. Garrett Wilson. That's sick for the Jets. Nice hit there out of 49. And another rookie for the Bucks. Cade Otton. Cade Otton going to be numbered 166 out of 225. And I'll wreck it. 14 out of 49 on the Garrett Wilson purple power. Nice hit there. Kyler Gordon and a Tyquan Thornton. Zay Jones silver Prizm for the Jaguars. And for the Niners, non-rookie Nick Bosa. That's pretty sweet. 126 out of 175. Oh my gosh, what are you doing, Pat? Jeez Louise. KP base on the back. A Rashad White for the Bucks. Antonio Gibson silver. Dante Culpepper for the Vikings. That's sick. I'll double check, see if that's numbered here. 124 out of 149 on the Culpepper. Going to the Vikings, Brian McDowell. Nice hit there. All right. Prizm-wise, let's hope for some case hits here. Election hits. Some kind of hits. Let's see it. Kobe Dean and Kyle Hamilton. Base. Lamar Jackson. Fireworks. And for the Saints, Cam Jordan. 92 out of 99 on the blue cracked ice. Yeah, we're getting a little warmer. Getting a little warmer. First auto coming. Wandale Robinson and a Kyle Phillips. DeAndre Hopkins silver prism. Our first, whoa, did we see it? Did I show it? It's a redemption. If you didn't see it, I'm going to slow roll it. You saw it? Shh. 329. George Pickens. Let's go. To the Steelers. That's sick.
You put it on the top left.
Yeah. And his base card to match. Base George Pickens. Brent McDuffie. Marshawn Lattimore. Emergent. Traylon Burks for the Titans. Silver Prism. Colts non-rookie. Shaq Leonard. Orange going to be 210 out of 249. Yep. Sure. Algier and Boy Mafe. Base Jahan Dotson. And a rookie for the Bears, Jaquan Brisker. 46 out of 199 on the Blue Wave. I'm not sure they're stuck there. Dulwich and a Desmond Ritter. Came out of there. Blue camo coming. Eric Kendricks on the first hit for the Vikings. Lions color match, non-rookie. That's pretty cool. DJ Chark, blue camo, 13 out of 25. Lions going out to Steven Erickson. Nice hit. Second auto coming. Sauce base. Ebiketti. Giants, non-rookie. Xavier McKinney. And a Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. Sick. We got the Colts. Shannon Billington. Nice hit. We'll check the Silverados. Yep, not numbered on the Silverado. Wyatt and Price. Base. Tom Brady Brilliance. For the Bills. Non-rookie. Dawson Knox. 243 out of 249. Jalen Naylor and a Cade York. One hit in this box. Eagles. Dallas Goedert is our one hit from this pack. 47 out of 60 for the Eagles. Going out to Justin. 4 packs to go.
Can you grab me back from that drawer?
Quay Walker, and a John Mechie rookie. First one I've seen out of that. Silver Tyreek Hill Fireworks. Of course. Chargers, non-rookie. One time for us. Let's just land it, man. Mike Williams, 17 out of 75 on the green scope. Malik Willis base. Andrew Booth and an Alec Pierce. Malik Willis base Titans rookie for the Browns. Cade York. 75 out of 149. I pushed it too far. I went too far. In the loosest sense of the form, yes. Base, Malik Willis. Snoop Connor. Rookie, Rams, Jacoby Durant, silver. For the Niners, non-rookie, Trey Lance. Nice hit there. 12 out of 175. I mean, I guess depending on what happens, that's still sick, though. Last pack of Prizm. James Cook for the Bills. Purple Power, and looks like a silver throwback. To end the box. It's an insert. All out. Cooper Kupp, all out. Silver scoring that TD. Jaguars. Come on. Little T-Law. Little ETN. Little Maurice Jones-Drew throwback. Out of 49. 21 out of 49. That was the best fantasy game I ever won. Maurice Jones-Drew was scoring like a bajillion points a game in fantasy, and I was up by 2. He came in first play of the game, got hurt, got like 0.3 points, and I won the game. I was like, no way, that's so crazy. Thought I was done for sure. No Pacheco over 6 boxes. Isn't that crazy? But like, how many of like certain rookies did we get so many copies of? You know what I mean? Empty box. All about Panini Man. Their collation. Thicker box here. Holy Brock. We got a booklet or a 300 point. Something's about to go crazy here. Empty box. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Packers for the first card on both. 5 out of 10. Are these thick?
Yeah, these are here.
A.J. Dillon, 5 out of 10 blue for the Packers. I'll have to find something for that one. Calm down, bro. You're fine. Chill. 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 For the Dolphins, Gesicki, 95 out of 99. 3-color patch. Terrell Davis and Javonte Williams, past and present, 57 out of 99. Barely a 2-color in the corner there and a 2-color up top. What do you guys think the biggest card known to mankind here is? Lions rookie. Good luck to the Lions. Who we got? Steven Erickson. Let's go. Good luck. 1/1. Aiden Hutchinson. Football. Oh man, that is sweet. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. I'm gonna have to get you. This thing is a monster. Holy cow! I'm gonna have to get you a 300-point top loader here in a second, or a one touch.
One toucher.
A one touch, yeah.
What size?
Washington rookie eye black Brian Robinson, bookends 99 out of 99. Gesicki's headed to the Patriots. There's so many moves going on this year. Brian Robinson. Last card of the break. The Jets. 31 out of 99. Brees Hall. 3-color patch. Going to the Jets. Nice hit there. Let me find a one touch for that bad boy real quick, and then we'll do a recap on the break here for you guys. Anybody else wants anything, let me know. Put it in the comments. We can get it going for you. Do we have 360s out there?
No, it's 260 is the biggest.
What about a lot of the bigger stuff? What? No, they're both this size. Yeah, I'll have to print labels here in a minute. Whoa. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Reed, man. I know how it goes, and then take a break, and then you come back, hit big. The lows feel low, but makes the highs feel higher. Appreciate you for getting in, man. So close on so much stuff. Do a little recap here quick. I'm gonna have to find something for you on that 101. Trey Lance out of 175. Mike Williams out of 75. Goddard out of 60. Nice Pittman auto. Chark blue camo color match to 25. George Pickens for the Steelers. Watson out of 125. Mixon out of 175. Andre Johnson out of 249. Xavier Howard out of 149. Nick Bosa out of 175. Dante Culpepper auto out of 149. Robinson out of 99. Garrett Wilson out of 49. And Breece Hall RPA out of 99. And then, of course, Aiden Hutchinson 1 of 1. Football laces for Detroit. Man, that's crazy. That is like literally crazy. I got 260 will not fit that, so I gotta find something that's the three whatever the biggest one is. Otherwise, I'll just put it in a box for you when I ship it. If I can't find anything that thick, I'll put it with some bubble wrap in a Immaculate box for you. Appreciate everybody getting in. This second half of the case of Prizm was not the greatest. Unfortunately, sorry about that. We do still have 6 boxes left. Those 2 breaks are going to fill Sunday and break. Hopefully there's some sort of case hit, gold, anything in the other half that we haven't opened yet. So I appreciate everybody getting in. Hope to see some of you guys on Sunday. Even if you're not in the break, just come back and watch. We appreciate it. Appreciate the conversation. And we will see you guys next time.